little explorers. Today we're going to make a beautiful cup using ice cream sticks. Let's get started. Take 2 ice cream sticks and glue them horizontally on a flat surface. Take the remaining 8 ice cream sticks and glue them vertically on top of the horizontal sticks. Cut a circular piece of chart paper and glue it to the side of the sticks to form the cup's handle. Use markers and poster color to make eyes or smile. Bravo! Your beautiful handmade ice cream stick cup is now ready. Thanks for watching.